Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a price alert on eToro. If you want to add a price alert on eToro so you never miss important price movements, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in eToro.com in the URL box and search. Once you're logged into the eToro.com homepage, which looks like this, go ahead and click on the Watchlist tab from the left-hand corner. Select the asset you want to track, and once you find the asset, click the three dot right next to it. Now select Set Alert. Go ahead and enter the target price at which you want to get notified. Once you are done, click on Set Alert. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create an alert in the chosen asset. Now you'll get a notification once the price reaches your set level. That's how you add a price alert on eToro easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Follow for more simple trading tutorials.